स्पेशली इन द सेमीफाइनल में, और कभी लगा ही नहीं कि टीम इंडिया को कोई प्रेशर आने वाला है। आपने पूरा इनिंग को कैरी किया और फिनिश तक किया। क्या कहेंगे अपने इनिंग के?
सेमीफाइनल में आके एक इम्पॉर्टेंट इनिंग खेल सका मैं टीम के लिए, और अच्छी फॉर्म में था, अच्छा फील कर रहा था। और कोशिश यही थी कि जितना मैं विकेट पे स्टे करूं एंड तक, उतना हमारा अच्छा चांस हो जाएगा ये स्कोर चेस करने का, क्योंकि एक बैट्समैन खेलना ज़रूरी है T20 में एंड तक। ऑलमोस्ट 20 ओवर खेलने का टारगेट होना चाहिए। तो आसान नहीं था, इतना आसान था नहीं जितना आप कह रहे हैं कि लगा नहीं प्रेशर है, क्योंकि प्रेशर था लेकिन वो ज़रूरी है दिखाना नहीं ऑपोजिशन को। और वर्ल्ड क्लास बॉलिंग अटैक है, उनको थोड़ा सा भी आपने अगर गलती करी उनके सामने और थोड़ा सा भी स्पेस दिया तो वो लोग गेम को चेंज कर सकते हैं। तो कोशिश यही थी कि काम रहूं और अपने आप को बैक करता रहा।
विराट, हाय रवीश। अभी तक आईपीएल में जो आपने T20 क्रिकेट खेली और यहाँ पे खेली, क्या हम कह सकते हैं, आपको ये लगता है कि ये आपकी बेस्ट इनिंग है T20 में? और सेकंड मेरा ये कि कैप्टन ने क्या आपको चांस दिया विनिंग शॉट खेलने का?
हाँ, उन्होंने मुझे चांस दिया। मैंने उनको बोला था कि आप ख़त्म कर दो गेम, लेकिन उन्होंने बोला कि इस मैच में मैं तुझे और कुछ नहीं दे सकता, क्योंकि तूने अच्छी बैटिंग करी है, तो यही मेरा गिफ्ट है। तो मैंने कहा दैट्स वेरी काइंड ऑफ यू, और मैंने एक्सेप्ट किया। क्यों नहीं, विनिंग रन मारने की एक अलग फीलिंग होती है, और आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू हिम कि उन्होंने मुझे ख़त्म करने दिया मैच। बेस्ट इनिंग काफ़ी मुश्किल क्वेश्चन। मेरे ख्याल मैच की इंपॉर्टेंस देखते हुए मेरी बेस्ट इनिंग मैं कह सकता हूँ, लेकिन मैंने इससे बेहतर बॉल हिट करी है T20 में। टाइमिंग मेरी काफ़ी मैचेस में इससे अच्छी रही है। जब मेरे को जाते 5-6 बाउंड्री मिल गई। आज थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट था, जैसे मैंने कहा कि थोड़ा वर्क करना पड़ा इनिंग के लिए, लेकिन अगर आप मैच की इंपॉर्टेंस देखें तो ये टॉप पे होगी।
Virat, why are you able to perform better than so many others under pressure?
Is that a valid question? I think everybody does the same thing that any cricketer in the world does. I think cricket is played more between your ears than with your technique. So I think if you can mentally be strong, as I said, I kept telling myself to just stay on the wicket because I'm good enough. Even when I was going run a ball, till about 20 runs, I didn't hit a boundary. So it's about staying patient and staying calm and not thinking about what would the dugout be saying. Am I playing too slowly? It's all about blocking those thoughts out, and it's important to back yourself, as I said, which I think everybody learns with time. Once you start scoring runs, you suddenly start believing in yourself more, and I think that's something I try to do. I try to just keep myself in that zone, and there's no secret. I mean, everyone wants to play, and everyone wants to score in every game or take wickets, so there's no secret to that.
Virat, we've seen you've been brilliant in the run chases, and especially considering the magnitude of today's game, and with Dale Stein's 3 overs remaining in the end, was that a conscious effort to attack Dale Stein and put him away?
Well, it's as I said, against a quality bowling attack, you need to be on top. It's important to put pressure on a world-class bowler like Dale. That's why the key is, to score off the other bowlers, so he doesn't have too many runs to defend. And if you take 6-7 runs off someone like Dale Steyn who comes to pick wickets, then it's more frustrating for the opposition. That's what I'm saying. It's all about calculating which bowler to hit, which bowler to block. And the plan was not to give him wickets, and eventually we ended up scoring about 11 point something runs and over to him, and that wasn't the plan at all. So once you start frustrating the opposition, not letting them work according to their plans, then the game starts falling in your way, and that's what we decided to do. नहीं, अब हर मैच में आप एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते कि हाँ बिल्कुल। इस टूर्नामेंट में अगर आप देखें, अगर हम सेमीफाइनल पहुँचे हैं तो मोस्टली बॉलर्स की वजह से ही पहुँचे हम लोग। हमने एक बार भी 130 रन से ज़्यादा नहीं खाए किसी गेम में, विच इज़ मुझे लगता है कि बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट है, स्पेशली इन कंडीशंस में जहाँ बैटिंग इजी होती है। हमारे फास्ट बॉलर्स ने जिस हिसाब से बॉलिंग करी है, स्पिनर्स को सबने देखा है, लेकिन उन्होंने वो काम किया है जो काफ़ी लोगों ने नोटिस नहीं किया, लेकिन मुझे लगता है उसका डिफरेंस बहुत रहा पहले पावर प्ले में। लेकिन आज साउथ अफ्रीका के जैसे क्वालिटी बैट्समैन है, वो उन लोगों ने अच्छी बैटिंग करी, लेकिन आई थिंक अश्विन ने आज फिर से वर्ल्ड क्लास बॉलिंग करी है T20 गेम में, और 6 से नीचे की इकॉनमी उस बैटिंग लाइनअप के खिलाफ जो 8.5 रन ऑन ओवर बना रहे थे, आई थिंक ब्रिलियंट बॉलिंग, और जो उसने विकेट्स लिए आज, मुझे लगता है कि तीनों उनके मेन प्लेयर्स उसने आउट किए, तो ऐसा एक कंट्रीब्यूशन हो तो वही स्कोर 195 भी हो सकता था, लेकिन आई थिंक उसकी बॉलिंग की वजह से हम लोग रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर पाए उन्हें.
Do you think that there was a distinct difference on how the pitch behaved from the first innings to the second innings?
I don't think so. There wasn't any dew at all today. The only one occasion where the ball got wet was when it went over the fence and there was some, water that was collected there because of the rain. There wasn't any dew today, so the wicket did not change too much. It was much slower than the previous games. The slower balls were holding up, so it was important to keep your shape and not go towards the ball to hit the ball. So it was important to absorb the pace of the wicket and later on, as I said, to back yourself to play the strokes. But yeah, it was a pretty slow wicket as far as I was concerned about what I saw, with the slower balls holding up from the wicket.
Virat, what do you have to say about the importance of taking singles and all in the middle overs? Because in your first 50 runs, you had scored only 16 runs and boundaries. So something about taking those singles and twos.
I think in a T20 game, a single is as important as a six. That's something I always believe. If you can, as I said, I was on 20 not out of I think 17 balls or something without hitting a boundary. So if you can do that, and the opposition knows that if I get 2 boundaries in between, my strike rate goes up to 150, around about that. So it's very important to keep rotating the strike, which in rush of blood, you always keep looking for boundaries, but as long as you're rotating the strike and not losing wickets at the same time, you keep the scoring rate, ticking, and the opposition captain has to think about a lot of things after that, because if you can place the ball for 2 runs thrice in an over, and the 6th ball goes for a boundary, then it's a brilliant over for you. So I think it's very important to know the importance of singles and doubles in T20 cricket as well.
Virat, what is the dressing room condition during the break? I mean, 176 was not a small target.
It was pretty relaxed, as it has been in all the games. There was nothing different going on. Everyone was pretty calm, pretty relaxed, doing their own thing, preparing for the game, and there was no panic, no tension. I didn't feel any tension. You can feel that tension if there is something in the dressing room, but I think everyone was relaxed. Everyone knew that one partnership and we could be close to chasing this total down. The kind of batting lineup we have, one guy has to bat through, and luckily it was me today, but there was no panic in the dressing room.
Virat, obviously, how do you keep yourself so calm and relaxed? Because seldom we have seen in recent times that you normally do not go out and bat in the nets, but you just take throwdowns, means which Sachin Paji also does, used to do it. So how do you keep yourself so calm and relaxed prior to a match?
Well, I've sometimes I've committed the mistake of just being casual in a net session when I'm playing well, when I'm hitting the ball well. I believe with me the case is one bad net session can really disturb me mentally. So I rather just play 10 balls, hit the middle of the bat, and just feel good at a practice session. There's no point going hard at the ball, playing 60, 70 balls and middling 10 balls. Rather you just have 10 throwdowns, and that's what I believe. To have 10 throwdowns, middle the ball, because I know how to play cricketing shots. So if I'm in a good mental space, I can execute my strokes in the game. I know when to hit sixes, I know when to hit boundaries. So there's no point trying to slog everything in the nets, which certainly happens with me when I'm playing well and I just go into a net session without planning anything. So this time I decided, I've played a lot of cricket recently and I've been batting a lot. So there's no point having a bad net session and disturbing myself mentally. That's why I said it's important to keep yourself in that zone, and that's all that I was doing at the practice sessions. That was the plan of those throwdowns, just to keep myself mentally there and not drift away from what I was thinking. Last five, Chetan.
Virat, you perform very well whenever India chases, and you yourself said that you like to chase yourself because you're able to calculate. How different are those calculations while you're batting in a T20 match when 50 overs are compressed to 20 overs?
It's all about analyzing how many runs have been scored before I walk into bat, and what rate are we going at. Today we got off to a flying start. We were 10 runs and over in the first 3, so it gave me time to settle myself in. if you were 6 runs and over, I could have gone for my strokes and I probably could have got out. People don't realize the importance of those small starts. But I think the way Rohit and Ajinkya batted, initially it was set the platform perfectly for us, put the pressure right back on South Africa, and it allowed me to play myself in and just stick to my plans, what I was thinking. So it's very difficult to break it down in a T20 game because, as I said, rush of blood. Plus it's a shorter format, so those calculations come down, they become smaller, they become quicker. You need to think really quick when to score, when to defend. So I think it's all about how many bowlers their main bowlers have bowled, or how many bowlers part-times are going to bowl, and how many runs you need to score off the part-timers or the main bowlers. So it's all about when you walk into bat, I look at the scoreboard, what the situation is like, and talk to my partner what we can do from there on.
Yeah, lost to Gulf News.
How much of a confidence booster is this for the Sri Lanka against Sri Lanka? And how much do you consider that the bowling is stronger, and how kind of a challenge will it be?
Well, the bowling certainly has been pretty strong in this tournament. There's not much due on this ground now, and they have some really quality spinners, so it's going to be a challenge for us. But we're not really thinking about that. I think we're playing some good cricket. This will certainly boost our confidence before the finals, and it's important not to get too excited. It's important to stay in that nice calm zone and just come out on the day of the finals and play good cricket and see what happens. It's not about thinking about the expectations or the pressures that we have to win this cup. Obviously we would love to win this cup, we eagerly want to, but when you say you have to, then you're putting yourself under pressure. Wanting to win is good, and staying in that calm space, and you focus on the process and the results follow. So I think this confidence, certainly we can take it into the finals.
विराट, अब फाइनल है, एशिया की दो बेहतरीन टीमें सामने होंगी, एक वर्ल्ड चैंपियन है, दूसरी एशियन चैंपियन है. टीम इंडिया कितना होपफुल है कि वो ये टाइटल अपने नाम करेगी, चूँकि उसके ऊपर बड़ी जिम्मेदारी भी है, वर्ल्ड चैंपियन के साथ साथ चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी भी इंडिया के पास है. तो अभी तीसरा इवेंट है आपका ये, तो इसके लिए किस हद तक पर उम्मीद हैं और श्रीलंका को कैसे फेस करेंगे?
श्रीलंका बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑपोजिशन है, हम सब जानते हैं, और पिछली बार जब हम वर्ल्ड कप जीते थे तो मैं उसका हिस्सा नहीं था, तो अभी फाइनल्स में पहुंचने का मौका मिला है, तब मैं घर से देख रहा था, तो काफ़ी अच्छा लगा देख के, जीते सब लोग और काफ़ी एक्साइटिंग था. तो अभी कोशिश करूंगा कि वो एक्सपीरियंस कर सकूं परसों, लेकिन जैसे कि मैंने कहा, ज़्यादा डेस्परेट नहीं होना चाहते हम. हमें पता है कितनी स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑपोजिशन है श्रीलंका, और उस चीज़ को हम रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे, और